Leader's 90-degree stand elbow is a type of electrical conduit fitting commonly used in electrical installations. The primary functions of elbows are change the direction of electrical conduits by 90 degrees, allowing for smoother cable rolling and cornering, protect the cables from bending stress and physical damage, create organized and aesthetically pleasing wiring layouts. Leader's stand elbow is available in various sizes to accommodate different conduit diameters, ranging from ½ inch to 8 inch, with bell end. With smooth interior and outside surface, reduced friction, easy for wires pulling. To ensure safe usage with conduits, Leader's standard elbows comply with the requirements of UL-651 standard, which include flammability performance. After removing the fire source, the elbow must stop flaming within 5 seconds and no burning particles or drops should fall. Resistance to crashing. The elbow should remain undamaged and retain at least 70% of its original inside diameter after being subjected to certain load crash. Joint integrity. The elbow should not damage or separate from rigid PVC conduit during the pull-out test. Leader's elbows meet these requirements and are UL-651 certified. Additionally, the elbows are made of durable PVC. They are sunlight resistant and corrosion resistant. Leaders lead the safer electrical conduit systems.